Kelly Barlow Creations. I'm excited today. I feel like a kid in the candy store because my new equipment has just arrived. I just recently invested in all new equipment for making my videos just to kind of improve the quality of my videos and to give me more options and be a little bit more artistic and creative with my video making. And so I am super excited about that. I really, truly am. So let's jump into this unboxing and let me show you all of the new equipment that just arrived that I will be using. I cannot wait to play with all this stuff. So let's look. Alrighty, so this is the bigger of the boxes. Let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness, I did not think that this box was the camera. I was thinking this was probably the tripods. Oh, yay! I'm excited. Look at all this fun stuff. Alrighty, I've got a camera bag, which is nice. Alrighty, and here it is. Oh, goodness, is this camera pretty? The EOS 80D. And I cannot wait to make videos on this because this is going to change my videos and the quality of my videos is going to be amazing using this camera. I cannot wait. Okay, so we've got an HD AF wide angle lens here. That is always important to me for pictures and video. This lens is amazing on my craft table. This is one that I like to use, the wide angle lens, and it just allows for more of the craft or the DIY to be in the picture. You can see here it gives an example of here is the picture you get without the wide angle lens, and here is what you get with the wide angle lens. So to me, this works really good in filming my hands when I'm doing the DIYs. I got a digital filter set. I'm not sure that I'll really utilize this too much because I don't do a lot of outdoor shooting, but this was part of the bundle. And it came with a 64 gigabyte SanDisk memory card. And it also came with a flash, this digital slave flash that attaches to the camera, which is amazing because stuff like this you can see in this top one that there's a shadow in back of him, and then when you have the flash on, it takes that shadow away. I also got a telephoto lens, which is amazing, and it just makes for zooming in a lot neater and better. Gotta have a cleaning kit, and we've got an SD card reader. You stick your SanDisk card in the side here and you plug it into your USB and it will take your pictures and videos off of your card. Now this was something that I really, really wanted. It's a remote for your camera. So when I'm sitting down at my table, I have to get up and press record. And then when I sit back down, my camera, the Canon VIXA, doesn't always autofocus the quickest. And so because I moved, it kind of goes out of focus and it takes it a minute to focus back up. This is awesome because you just press the button when you're sitting down after you've gotten your camera all focused up. It starts recording and then you press it again at the end and you don't have to get up and down to start and stop your video. So this was an awesome investment. I've got a screen protector for my new camera, and I have got the bigger lens for my Canon camera as well. It comes with the 18 to 55 in the box, and this one is the 55 to 250 millimeter. And so this is always a really nice lens to have. And I have got a brand new 57-inch tripod by Ritz Gear. This is going to be an amazing tripod. I am so glad I finally have a new one of these because I am so tired of fiddling around trying to make mine work. The next box is this smaller box, and I'm thinking that this is my 50 millimeter Canon lens that I bought, and I'm hoping that's what it is anyway. Oh, again, there's a box inside a box. And what is this? I think that I got 2 remotes, and I think that Kayla might inherit one. What is this? Oh, it did. It came with another remote. So it looks like Kayla just inherited a remote for her camera, which I think she will love and appreciate because I bought 2 of them and didn't even know it. Oh, and I think that this here is, if I'm thinking it's what it is. Aha, yes. This piece here, you put this on the end of your camera. This allows to block out some of that extra light that makes it into the lens. And so this I am excited to use because I am tired of battling those orbs. Okay, and this is probably the lens. Okay, let's see. Aha! Yes, it is! Oh, I'm so excited! Oh, that's right, I bought this in a bundle too. Okay, so this is the Canon 50mm, and this EF 50mm is going to allow me to blur out my background. And so that is an effect that I have really been wanting to do. I know Sigma carries a lens and it's about $499, and I really did not want to spend that much on the lens when Canon had this 50mm one for $125. It came in a bundle for $129. And so I did the bundle because it also came with the hood or the guard for this lens. And so I thought that for $4 more, I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna get a couple more filters, and it came with like a cleaning kit. And so I'll just give this cleaning kit to Kayla. But yeah, this lens here is where all the magic happens for making the amazing look of the backgrounds. I cannot wait to use this lens. Alrighty, and my last package is this longer one, and so I'm thinking that these are my new lights. Woohoo! Yes! Oh, I am so excited! Oh, they come with a case, and these lights are box lights. And so these lights, I think I paid about $60 for on Amazon for 2, which wasn't bad. I've heard really great things about using box lights versus the umbrella ones. And so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try these because I need new lights anyway. Wowzers, would you look at that light on this? Holy mackerel. That is a pretty big light, no joke. And there are 2 of them. So my lighting is going to be amazing. Okay, and I'm guessing these here are the box part of the lights, and this must be the stand. Let's see. Oh, would you look? Oh my goodness, and these are like a leather and foil, and these are so nice compared to my other ones. Oh, these are amazing. I am excited to use these. I can only imagine how great my lighting is gonna be. And there's this white cover that goes over this so the light isn't so stark. Oh, this is awesome. Alrighty, so here is the Canon EOS 80D out of the box, and this is a beautiful camera. A lot of you have been asking me what microphone I use. I use this Rode microphone. It is the Rode Go, not the Pro, and it is an absolutely amazing microphone for sound. It plugs right in here to the side of your camera where the microphone plug is, and there is no on-off switch, and it really is just an amazing microphone. The reviews on it are great, and I am just absolutely loving this camera. And here's the tripod. This tripod is fantastic. It is very durable. It is heavier than any tripod I've ever had. And what I love about this is it is so easy to maneuver the camera, and it is as quiet as can be. You don't have the sound of it clanking around or plastic. It is just smooth, and wow. I don't think I realized how important a good tripod was and how much easier it makes life. And lastly, here is one of the 2 box lights. These box lights are incredible. It's a bit dark in the room right now because I am filming on my Canon Vixa and I don't want the orbs, but these are the box lights and they are phenomenal. The height is adjustable. You've got the white screen here to cover up the light. The only downfall to these lights, and I think every YouTube creator struggles with this, is these are not lights that you can put up and down. These are lights that just kind of, you put them up and they stay up and you find a spot and that's just where they stay. And so here in my office is the spot where my umbrella lights and my box lights and my extra tripods all stay until I have my own crafting and filming room. Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today for the unboxing of all of my new equipment. I am so stinking excited and can hardly wait to start using this. I've got a lot of research to do on that camera to see all of the great things that it does, but I can guarantee that the quality of my videos is going to change, and I think that I'm just gonna have endless possibilities when it comes to this equipment. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Google+, and Twitter. You can find those links in the description box below. Just click on those links, click follow, and you'll also be notified through social media when I'm uploading a new video or just doing something fun. You can also find my P.O. box in the description box below as well, if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, and bye for now.